Dominique, LaShae, take over Washington, D.C. Quit playing with it. Got Sally in the building! Okay, y'all, we on the elevator. Heading down. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I don't know why I'm so scared. First flight and I'm scared. Almost fail. Almost fail, y'all. Almost fail.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't.
How you feeling? I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna pray.
All right.
Hey y'all, so we just came out of TSA. Baby, you gotta do too much. I promise, you gotta coming out of shoes and too much. We got all of Destiny in the building. We getting ready to board, period. We lit, we out of here, we take flights.
Anywhere I can, I want to share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on.
Please review the safety card in the seat pocket in an emergency. Let a flight attendant know if you do not meet the selection criteria listed on the card. If you have a condition that if you would suffer bodily harm.
Y'all, it don't even feel like we in the air no more. Like, it don't even feel like they know. I ain't scared no more. Oh my God.
Welcome to Washington, D.C. Local time 1:44.
That folk left out in the middle of the house. That folk left in the middle of the highway. Okay, you guys, we have made it to the shuttle. We're headed to the Renegade. Oh, that would say Washington. I missed it. Something. We need a sign that say Washington, D.C. Washington exit. I'm gonna get y'all a sign. Y'all outside the White House. Outside the White House from mid-air. Destiny Business. How you feel? I feel good. I feel good. Lightning ugly in here, so I'm gonna get a shower when we get some better lightning. Washington, D.C. We here. We've made it. Y'all, my ears waited till the last 20 minutes of that plane to start. I ain't talking about no popping. I'm talking about hurting. Like, hurting. But wait, let me come about this, man. So we made it. We here, Washington, D.C. What's up? It look clean down here. There you go, over there. There it is, over there. You see the top of it put right there. This is over there. That's the Capitol over there.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. So no one else tell me what to do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can. I won't share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million.
Okay, y'all, I'm giving y'all a quick room tour. This is our room, and then when you come in, you have the door right here. So when you come to the right, you have your bathroom. This is so gorgeous. It has a towel on the floor. Then when you come to this side, You have your Ritz Carlton, yes, Ritz Carlton water sitting right here with your 2 little cups. This is so pretty. This is gorgeous. And then you have the mirror right here. Then you have the makeup mirror. I don't do makeup, so y'all already know. I ain't gonna use that. Then you have the little soap right here. What this say? I don't even know what that is. I guess that's soap. I don't know. We're gonna put that back. I guess to get some soap. Then you have the cute little towels, tissue. Then a little decorated towel right here with your mouthwash and your lotion and your shower cap. Oh, they give you a comb. Girl, I ain't never been to no hotel and they give you a comb. What hotel give you a comb? Tell me that. What hotel give you a comb? Don't come in on here like y'all done been to hotels with combs, because you haven't. Babe, they give you a comb. That's lit. That's lit right there. That's lit right there. Then you come this way. Look at this tube. Hold on, I gotta give y'all the whole look. Quit playing. Quit playing. Ritz Carlton, baby. Other hotels, y'all need to step y'all game up. Quit playing with the key. Alright, y'all get out of here. Alright. Then you come this way. You have your walk-in shower. Baby, they give you a scale. They give you a scale. What hotel you know got a scale? Quit playing. I'll wait. And then you come this way, you have the bathroom. I like how they do this tissue right here. Baby, they got a fountain. Baby, if you get constipated, hold on, because we gotta do this. They already know. You come to a new city, you might get constipated. Help. I'm constipated. Help. It won't come out. Help. Quit playing with it. Quit playing with it. Yes. Oh my God. Look at the, baby, this is going home with me. This is going home. Baby, look at that robe. This going home. Quit playing with it. I already know. That robe going home. And then it's a closet. You can put your safe and all that good stuff in it. Well, they got a steamer. They got a steamer right there. And then, where's some light at? Hold on, y'all. Let me find y'all some light. Okay, so we come this way. It gotta be more light than this, but we're gonna make it work. You have your ice go right here. Then you have your 2 wine glasses and your regular glass. And then you have barbecue almonds, dark chocolate almonds, milk chocolate candies, bottle of wine. Please be advised that unboxed systems fully automated. All items are sensor controlled. As they are moved, will automatically be charged to your room. So we're not gonna touch none of this. And a charger. Girl, they come with a charger. We're gonna leave. And it's an iPhone charger, but we're gonna leave all that right there. Then it's another full body mirror. Now mine wheel right there. But then you come this way, you have the chair. Our things laid out, don't mind and stuff. Chair right here, king size bed right here, TV right here. It gotta be some light. Hold on, y'all. We gotta get some more light up in here. But let's see what this view coming like.
You can't see that.
You can't. Okay, the view is kind of giving. It's kind of giving. Washington, D.C. was popping. Memphis in the building.
Yeah, where I'm in case y'all know.
Yeah, I'm all the way from Memphis in Washington. Quit playing with it. Howard University, homecoming. Yeah, look at Will Cup. Will, what you got on, Will? Okay, y'all, tell me why my ears are still stopped up. Tell me that.
I told her to listen
Tell me
to
why.
music in your room, 'cause that's what y'all
Tell
told
me
me
why.
on my
Look at
first
this.
flight.
Say what's up, put.
Hey, all of this in the building.
I gotta say my battery though, so I get up with y'all when we get there.
Who you fucking with, man?
Girl, they shine litty. Litty.
But what we not gonna do here, we're gonna appreciate this trip.
Excuse me. They shine litty. playing.
I need that roll
backstage.
mic.
Y'all already know who we coming at the party at
Excuse me, let me have your roll mic.
Oh God, my little windbreaker's so ugly, y'all. He just flat, like flat. But it's
I need a
cool,
hat.
y'all. We had fun at Howard University. Y'all already know. Big glow killed it, but my head hurt, my ears still popping. That airplane did me bad, but yeah, I'm finna relax. We finna order a little room service and just relax. That's it for this. I ain't gonna say that's it for today, but I'm gonna get back up with y'all. If we do something, I don't know, but I'm gonna get back up with y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm leaving out. I'm getting ready to go meet all of this and naturally Sunny. Quit playing with it. We got Sunny in the building. Y'all finna see it though. Y'all finna go see it. Y'all finna see it. I'm coming out the elevator now, put. Girl, these folks lit. Downstairs. Yeah. Thank you. I'm finna meet Naturally Sunny. I already know all of this. That's my sister. This y'all with the blinkers on. I'm coming up behind. Y'all finna see Sunny. Quit playing with it. Girl, you should see me with the camera. Huh? Okay, yeah, I gotta cross the street. Hold on. I need to cross it, guys. Red. Ooh! I'm running! Woo! I'm running across the street. Cause we got something in the building. Hold up. I don't know which one of these cars, huh? I don't know. Is that Sunny in the building? Quit playing with it! We got Sunny in the building! I'm sorry, y'all. They thought that was live.
I look so like crazy. And
nah, I look crazy.
But y'all about to go to the club.
I know.
What club you going to? Look at Dominique and LaShae. Get into it.
We got Sunny in the building.
That's a real YouTuber for
We got Sunny. We gonna put. Y'all see her every day.
She like y'all see her all the time, right?
My heart beats fast, y'all.
I ran out.
We got Sunny.
Dang, she ain't even trying to come out to eat with us. I found the little
How long y'all finna be out?
I told my vlog. I'm like, I'm gonna wait because I was gonna get dessert in there. I was like, I'm finna be Sunny.
Yeah,
so I'm gonna get dessert.
it's open till 2 a.m.
See, we just. She only gonna be on stage about 2 minutes. And I gotta call D Socket. She thought I was playing. Hold on, y'all. Sunny in the building! And we out, y'all. Y'all thought I was playing. I told y'all, quit playing with the kids. Pull up. Yeah, we all this. So y'all used to seeing her dancing on that.
As long as they let y'all come in wherever we finna go, y'all can come in.
Period.
Yeah, I pressed it.
Let me ask you, please take out a picture.
Take out a picture
right?
before you pull out.
Y'all, look at the view. It's the view for me.
Destiny takes DC, baby.
Look at the view. Look at the city. Quit playing. The sun in my face. I hope y'all can see it. We in Washington, D.C. Quit playing with it. We here. Dominique, LaShae, take over Washington, D.C. Quit playing with it. Okay, y'all. So it's our last day here. We stopping at Five Guys. We have like an hour and a half before the plane board. So y'all, Five Guys so hot. For me, Will, and Destiny food, it was $67. Baby, I could have went McDonald's and got to 100 meals, but Washington, D.C. has been real. We was here for 24 hours and we out.